So the next step is getting around. So you will have graduated high school at least, and now you must have a vehicle to get to your job. And of course, it is required by law that you have car insurance, and you're going to need to fill up your car with gas to make it go anywhere if you know anything about automobiles. So you're going to be choosing a car that comes with a monthly payment as well as what it costs to fill up your car with gas. So the first step is picking which car model you would like to drive around for your job. So you have a wide range to choose from, including Pontiacs, you have a Mustang, Honda Accord, and Ford Expedition, which is my Honda Accord is the first car I had by myself. I bought to drive around. 2005 Expedition is the car my family drove since I was in middle school. Chevy Tahoe, you got a Dodge Ram truck, Volkswagen Beetle, Jeep Wrangler, Chevy Corvette, and a Cadillac Escalade. So you're going to go through, and remember, you're going to pay this cost each month to maintain your car. So what car do you think you can afford to pay each month? So you go through and you're going to use the blue bar to select. I'm going to go with the Honda Accord because it means sentimental value to me. But you can pick any other car that you want. And remember, this is going to be a monthly cost of $154 with $91 per month for gas. And on top of that, you're going to add $137 per month for car insurance, just in case you get into an accident and your car is damaged. Car insurance is not optional, it is required by law. And so then you take your handy dandy calculator out and you add up how much a month it's going to cost, $154 plus $91 for gas each month, plus your monthly insurance of $137 a month. And you're going to add all that up. And how much is it going to cost a month to own and operate your car? It's going to cost $387. Sorry, $382. For me, once again, your cost might be different, but for me, it's going to cost $182. You then go to your previous page, step 5, and you had $3,504. So you pull out your calculator, put in your original amount, $3,504.50. And then you're going to take away 382, or the amount of money that you're going to pay every month I messed up. Let me go back real quick, sorry. $3,504, $3,504.50 minus what you're going to pay for per month for a car. Let's make sure to minus $382. And that's going to leave you with $3,100. Or how much is left over? 3,100, 22 and a half. 150. And that is going to finish up your monthly cost after, what you still have left over after paying for your vehicle, insurance, and gas.